So now we'll start with STAP. So we would like you to brief your manifesto.
Hello, I am Rahul Prajapat, fourth year dual degree electrical engineering student, and I am currently project manager of electrical subsystem of Mars Rover project. I was electronics club manager last year. So coming down to my manifesto, I have broadly categorized my manifesto into 4 agendas. My first agenda is to promote hobby activities by organizing more and more informal events. Organizing these informal events in order to bring club feelings and fun elements. And informal events such as informal events involves open activities such as piano stairs, contraption events, and hologram events. And informal events also includes day-long hardware hackathons in which people will be working on ready-made products such as Kinect and leap motion sensors, and they will be coming up with exciting products. And in informal events there will be week-long take-on projects such as electronic posters, small home automation products, and clap detector, lost object locator kind of projects. And I am planning to involve postgraduate students into these kind of informal events. They will be playing as a mentor. So my second big agenda is to contribute to society and industries through technovation projects and integration of teams. And for that, for these kind of problem statements, I have talked to department professors of like electrical engineering, CS and Sitara. And these kind of problem statements can also be generated through NGOs like Honeybee Networks of India and also from government institutions such as CSIR Labs and National Innovation Councils of India. And to execute this agenda, I have already talked to technical team heads, and they have agreed to support me in achieving this kind of this agenda. And to solve component procurement related problems, I have talked to GSA Square. With the help of them, I will be solving it. And with the help of SAC, I'll be inviting IITB alumnus who are working in manufacturing industries and are very experienced in this kind of areas. And final stage of these kind of projects is to conversion of these prototypes into products. For that, I have already talked to IDC community and PhD communities, and with the help of these guys, I'll be achieving this agenda. And my third big agenda is to create online knowledge sharing platform, and it will be on the lines of NPTEL. And I have already talked to CDEP guys. They have eHive community which is in contact with various regional and national colleges of India. So we have ITSP. We have STAP wiki page where ITSP project documentation and workshop slides and tutorials is available. And this technical knowledge will made accessible to these government and private colleges of the India. And my fourth big agenda is to involve postgraduate community into the technical activities. I will be organizing high-tech workshops on the lines of MIT Media Lab Health Tech Workshop, and I will be involving postgraduate community into the ITSP as well. Thank you.
Okay, so here are some questions from the previous overall coordinator of STAP. The first one: what changes have occurred this year in tech GCs, and what's your plan for GCs in your tenure?
So this year, number of law preparation GCs have been increased, and the motivation behind increasing law preparation GCs were like technical secretaries. In the law preparation GCs, technical secretaries does not have to do much of work, so that they can focus on various other informal events. And next year I am going to follow this structure, and I'll be introducing one more element into the technical GCs. I'll try to I'll try to create an event on the lines of PAF. I'll be involving 3-4 hostels, and I'll be forming a group, and then they will be working on a real life implementable project, and this can be worked out as a technical GC.
How do you plan to take Tinker's Lab ahead and make it successful?
Yeah, so in the Tinker's Lab point, I am going to the motivation behind motivation behind setting up the Tinkerers Lab was to increase hands-on activities, and students who wants to do very short duration project, they can come to the Tinkerers Lab at any point of time, and they can pursue these kind of events. And to promote these kind of events, I'll be organizing hardware hackathons on the lines of WNCC hackathons.
What are the problems which are faced in the implementation of Tech ID, and how will you solve them?
So, first of all, I feel launching the Tech ID was not successful because of some site issues, and we have already resolved the last year team have already resolved this site issue. They have procured a proper server, and they have shifted and they have procured new domain as well. And I think I'll be able to launch Tech ID successfully this year.
इसमें कट हो जाए। ये बता, इस बार स्टाफ की टीम बढ़ी भी है। इस बार स्टाफ की टीम में जो नंबर्स था,
हाँ,
इंक्रीज हुआ था क्या?
मीडिया मैनेजर इस बार ही इंक्रीज किया था।
लास्ट ईयर कितने मेंबर्स थे?
लास्ट ईयर ऐसा था कि 13 थे। पब्लिसिटी मैनेजर सिर्फ एक हुआ करता था।
इस बार कितने हुए?
इस बार 14 हो गए। एक मीडिया मैनेजर बढ़ गया, उसका काम लाइट से हाँ फर्ली।
ठीक है, so we'll wind up here, and we would ask you to just speak for 1 minute. Ask others to vote for you.
So please vote for me. If elected, I'll be focusing on those 4 agendas which I explained earlier. These 4 agenda is going to be to promoting hobby activities into the students, and to contribute society and industries to technovation projects and integration of teams, and to create online knowledge sharing platform, and to involve postgraduate community into the technical activities.